So we finally received the fuel pump for this 2015 Nissan Micra. Here it is here. Here's the fuel pump assembly. And there's the part number from the dealer. It was actually cheaper to get it from the local dealer here in Thunder Bay than it was from the aftermarket by almost double the price, believe it or not. You also need this O-ring seal. That doesn't come with the pump assembly. So I've got the pump out of the tank. This is the new assembly ready to go in. It compared it, looks good, so we're going to install it. So I've got the O-ring seal installed, little dielectric grease on it, ready to put this pump back in. There's a locating ear on this thing. It only fits one way. I'm just trying to establish which way it goes. You can pretty much tell by the access to the fuel line. The fuel line goes on this way, so obviously that's got to be pointed towards the front of the car. Okay, I'll pick up when I get the pump installed. Well, that was fun. I managed to get it 2/3 of the way installed, but I couldn't quite get the locks to go underneath these clips here. The factory obviously has a dealer obviously has a tool to turn this lock ring in. I ended up using a pair of channel locks and grabbing the ear and squeezing it like so while I pried gently on it, and I managed to get it on. So we'll see if it starts and runs now. Well, there we go. Running, no leaks. Now we'll just have to seal that plate to the floor and put the seat back in. Call this one a wrap. Well, I figured out what the fifth wire on that fuel tank sending unit was. Fuel tank temperature sensor circuit, which it set a fault code for because I had the key on with the sender unplugged. So we'll just clear that code. Clear codes. Yes. Continue. Anyways, vehicle runs fine now.